So I finally got a new eyeshadow palette. I feel like it's been a while. I think my last one was from Natasha Denona. So today I have here the Huda Beauty Wild Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and this is in Jaguar. As you see here, Jaguar, this comes in 3 different versions, I guess you would call it. And they are limited edition. They retail for $29 and you get 9 shades. Comes with a beautiful mirror. If you know me, I love a smoky eye. You don't necessarily have to do smoky. I can see like some neutral colors here. So I will be doing swatches and I will be doing a look. I have no idea what I will create, but hopefully it helps you out if you're thinking about buying it. Look at this. I wonder how this is gonna come out when you swatch it. Want to like tone it down for a regular day, you can use these. Long wearing, cruelty free, matte finish, metallic finish, shimmer finish. This could be super glam or super toned down. Go ahead and get started and let me do the swatches. I'll leave all the other, if you're into eyeshadow, I'll leave all the other eyeshadow palettes that I have reviewed and done looks for in the description and in the comments. And let me know if this is colors that you like. Would you purchase this? Start like from bottom to the top. Right here. I'm sure it's pretty light. That'll go great on all over the lid. You see, you could barely see it because it's like my same skin tone. That is black. Okay, so that's your next color. This one here, which is our purple. Just guess this color is light. Do this one here. This is so cool toned, and you guys know how much I'm obsessed with cool tones. Oh, this other purple here. That reminds me like of a mermaid or something. Wow. I don't know, I was just not expecting that. Nice. Alright, let's swatch it. See, that's like, it looks like an olive color. So they definitely have sparkle. I'm glad that there's mattes. I'm doing this shade here. Ooh. Alright, so I just feel like some of them are not coming out as dark as they look in the palette. See, it's going like, my swatches always end up like, beautiful gold. Look at that. Imagine for the holidays. And that swatched really nice. Like, you can really see that. So I can already see so many different looks. I have no idea what I will do today. Hopefully you can follow along. I'm not an expert at all. I just love makeup, so keep that in mind. Before we get started, my name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy. This is like, what, the 3rd palette of her minis that I buy. So I'm just using this first shade here, and I'm going to put it all over the lid. Just tapping it like this. This is a nice like blending brush. Any fluffy brush that you have. Oh, I'm gonna go with this shade here. And I'm gonna use it like as my crease color. I'm gonna look down and just place it right there on the corner. See? And I'm just gonna do like a V here. So from here and here. Just make sure you blend really, really well. I'm just dragging it upwards. Now I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush like this. I believe this is by the brand Luxie. I love this brand for brushes. So this is like smaller, skinnier, still super fluffy. I'm gonna take this shade here. Okay, just tap a bit. And I'm gonna put it right there also in the outer corner, but I'm not gonna blend it out all the way. Just like I'm going like in a circular motion here. And again, take your time blending, it makes all the difference. Do the same on this side. Alright, so I am gonna cut the crease just because I haven't done it in so long. Just use any concealer that you have. The lighter the better, and I'm using this like flat brush. You don't want like a blending brush for this, like a nice flat brush. Just gonna put it covering my lid. I'm just tapping right now, then I will blend. This brush that I'm using here is by SheGlam, is by the brand Shein. I did do a video with them and using the whole like brush set, I believe. If you want to see that, you just could type on my channel SheGlam or Shein. I have decided to go with this shade here. I think the second look I'm going to do is going to be the gold mix with the black and this. So if you want to see that, just give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. But today we're going to go with this shade. It just looks so beautiful on the swatch. So I hope it's able to show up the same as in the swatch. So I am going to place it first with a brush, but then I'm going to go in and also apply it with my finger. It makes a big difference. So this is the MAC 242 and it's another flat brush. So I'm taking that shade here. Just be careful when you do it with your finger because your finger is not going to be as precise as the brush. Going back with this color. And I'm just going to apply this. And just blend right there where those two colors meet. If you want, you can take some of this and just put it like down here so it connects. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some like highlight in the inner corner, which I don't see any color here that I can use. So let's see. It's from ColourPop. This is called Lunch Money. If you're not into like false lashes or you don't like eyeliner, you can totally skip the step. So please don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!